Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. Friends, as far as we are concerned with this video, as you people know who are my subscribers and who used to watch my videos on daily basis, that I have been sharing a very beautiful, amazing, eye-catching, mesmerizing and very easy as well as complex and artistic hand embroidery designs, stitches, color combination, patterns and much more related to hand art. So this video is specially for the beginners who are starters, have just started to learn the art of hand embroidery and they know only 1 to 2 stitches. So this video collection is friends absolutely for them, because in this video collection you would see a number of different embroidery patterns that are specifically based on one very simple, easy and understandable universal stitch, that is lazy daisy stitch. Friends, as all of you could see, that very beautiful color combination, very beautiful easy flower, leaves, floral bunches have been shown in this video. The purpose of sharing these designs is that to provide some very easy, eye-catching and artistic style, easy hand embroidery patterns that are totally based on lazy daisy stitch. Friends, if you are a beginner, then lazy daisy stitch is the very essential for most and very necessary stitch for you to learn, because if you learn this stitch you can make an entire pattern. A variety of ways have been shown that how you can make lazy daisy stitch with multicolored objects, multicolored threads, embroidery wool, anchor, DMC and any other thread related to embroidery that you want to use. And friends, one more important thing that I haven't discussed yet, that is how you can use these patterns. Then it is very important to hear that these patterns could be used in 8 different ways. One by one we will discuss. First of all, you can make neckline designs with these lazy daisy stitches and these patterns. You can make sleeves motifs, you can make shirt central panels, you can make frock yokes, you can use it onto sari blouses, you can use it onto designing of your scarves, collars, borders, you can use for baby frock designing, shirts, skirts designing, jeans embroidery, denim embroidery, you can use it on sweaters embroidery. And not only 8 things, I have counted 10 things right now, and much more things to go for home decor like cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets and much more. So stay tuned, keep watching my content. If you like the video and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching my video.